Hello, chicklets. I am at Half Price Bookstore. I originally went to the public library, because that's the most public place I know of. But there was no one there. I'm gonna do the challenge. My first crush, I believe, was a girl named Jennifer in elementary school. She was fourth grade, I believe. No, not fourth grade. Third grade, second or third grade. And I'm sorry, I'm just realizing there are people here. I'm just avoiding them. I don't know, like, I had a crush on her, but I also think maybe we were boyfriend-girlfriend, because I remember being heartbroken that she started dating Devin, the athlete, because he was faster than me. That was pretty rough. Yes, no, much like Gretchen, I am to a serial crusher. But, and I also do this thing where $2, that's pretty good. I also do this thing where I kind of like mentally date people. Like, I don't even have to have like conversations with them, like play out what our relationship would look like, and it almost always ends terribly. X-Men they have Spider-Man novels? I'm also here because I made a papercraft TARDIS, and I left a note on the inside of it, and I want to leave it somewhere because it sounds exciting. If you happen to be at a Half Price Books in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, you might find a TARDIS with a special note inside. Well, chicklets, that's about it. That's the story of my first crush, I think. Don't forget to leave a video response accepting this week's challenge, telling us what your first crush is and or was, or who your first crush was. I don't know, I'm not getting that many strange looks from people. Maybe it's because I'm at Half Price Books and I don't know, maybe people just don't care.